Hello and welcome to Regina's Never Fail Recipes. Today is an exciting day for me. My brother's second book is getting published. The title of the book is Jeevitham Padipicha Padangal. It is written in Malayalam. This is the second book. When the first book published, I wasn't here in Kerala. So I am really excited to be a part of his second book publishing. And secondly, I will be meeting one of my friend, my classmate and friend. I'm going to meet her after 37 years. The function where the book getting published and her house is only 3 kilometers away. So I'm going to meet her. That is another exciting event for me. Thirdly, my younger sister who is celebrating her birthday today is going to be here with me in the evening. I have to bake a cake for her. Her favorite is Black Forest cake. So let's go for the book publishing. Let's meet the friend and then come back and do the baking. Come, let's go.
If you need not be forgotten as soon as you are dead and forgotten, either write things worth reading or do things worth writing. Benjamin Franklin.
പുസ്തകം ഏറ്റുവാങ്ങുന്നതിന് ചങ്ങനാശ്ശേരിയുടെ അഭിമന്യനായ സഹായമെത്രാൻ തോമസ് തറയിൽ പിതാവിനെയും ക്ഷണിക്കുകയാണ്. ചങ്ങനാശ്ശേരിയുടെ ചരിത്രത്തിൽ തന്നെ ഒരു നല്ല മുഹൂർത്തമായി ഈ നിമിഷങ്ങൾ മാറട്ടെ എന്ന് നമുക്ക് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കാം, ആശംസിക്കാം.
After a hectic day, I'm back in home. Now I have to bake the cake very fast. It's the evening. We have to cut the cake around 7 o'clock, so not much time. So let us get started. Now let's see the ingredients for making Black Forest cake. Here I have taken 1 cup of granulated sugar, which I have powdered. In grams, it will be 200 grams. Into it, I am adding 3 eggs. Now beat it till it becomes light and fluffy. Here I have taken half cup of oil that you can see. We have to add the oil only after this sugar and egg become nice and frothy. Now it's the time to add oil, half at one go. Then after beating well, you add the second half also. Now it's the time to add the flour. I have taken 1.5 cup of maida, that is 150 grams of maida or all-purpose flour. Into it, I have added 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of drinking chocolate. As my sister doesn't like much of cocoa flavor and she likes more of a chocolatey flavor and taste, so I am adding 1/4 cup of drinking chocolate and 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt, and I sieved 3 times so that everything will incorporate well. Now let's add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and mix. Now the batter is ready. Now put it in the baking tin for baking. The batter is ready. Let's put it into the preheated oven and 150 degree centigrade for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just check whether it is done or not and then remove from the oven. Now this is done and let it cool down for icing. Once the cake is cooled down well, then cut it into 2 equal halves. Here I have taken 1 cup of whipping cream. Into it I have added 1/4 cup of icing sugar. You can increase or decrease the quantity of icing sugar depending upon the sweetness required. You have to beat it till it gets a stiff peaks. Here in this case, I won't get a stiff peak because this is the last part of the cream and it's a little watery. I'll get really soft peak. Now the cake I have cut it into 2 equal parts, and then we have to moist it using the sugar syrup in the cherry tin. Moist it nicely and then add the whipping cream on the top of it and spread it well so that it will reach everywhere. When icing of the complete cake is done, you can refrigerate it for 24 hours so that it will be nice and firm. But here I don't have time, so I'm not taking it in the refrigerator straight away. We are using it. So the cream is spread all over. Now we have to keep the cut cherries on the top of it. Yeah, the cherries is done, and now we have to keep the other half and then repeat the process once again. So the second half also I have moistened with the cherry syrup and then cover it with the cream. So you have to make sure that the upper crust, if you have to remove, so that get an even surface. So using a scraper, just remove all the extra cream, and then you can decorate using according to your choice. Here I have got chocolate shavings. I am just putting a little bit of drinking chocolate to make it more chocolatey flavor. Then here the cream which I have, it is of little watery, so I won't get the perfect pattern. So but still it's okay. Very, very happy year ahead. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear London. Happy birthday to you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.